Hey guys, and welcome to unboxing of my new phone. I just got it by mail today. So, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yeah, it's with 12 megabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. So, this puppy is a good puppy. It's the flagship of Samsung. And yeah, I'm still recording this with my own old phone, so yeah, we'll definitely see the difference. I hope so. After I open this puppy up and we make some footage with this new phone. Yeah, so I bought this phone because my old one was stolen, and I bought this one, Samsung A14. It has a shitty camera, and yeah, it makes very not nice pictures, let's say. I will not say ugly, but yeah, that one is definitely worth its money. So for my next vlog, I need some more nicer camera, yeah. So this is what we got: a black box, a black box. Oh my god! Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, how do I open you? I don't have a knife. Maybe I have some scissors. Let's see. Maybe this one. I have special tools. So yeah, we have to do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, sealed package. Okay, so it's sealed on both sides. So it's a new phone. Thank God. We'll get to the part how much money I paid for it, yeah? I paid for it, yeah. A lot of money. So that's how you unbreak the seal. I didn't need my special tool. So one seal unbroken. Second one, it's there. See, this kind of seal. Let's hope. Yeah. After all, I do need my special tool. Okay, so see, that's why I need it. So I can just up it a little bit, this thing, and then I can tear it. Tearing it. And there we go. Never opened before. For the first time on YouTube. Yeah, right. Anyway. Ta-da! I don't know. Something is in here. Let's first check this. I think it's the instructions or something. This in this part. Let's try to open it and see. Come on. Come on, baby. Show me what you got. Yeah. It has this thingy. So we can put the pin. The pin. This is the pin. So we can put the SIM inside. Yeah. Empty. See. And these are okay. So we got this peeping cable. Okay, let's first get rid of this stuff. This goes to trash. So I still don't get this cable. USB-C to USB-C. What the beep do you need this for? You cannot charge this with anybody. It doesn't go into the computer. It doesn't go into the charger. What the beep is this about? Explain me, Samsung. This is the charger. But where do you charge? Huh? You put it in the plug like that? No. We don't need it. So you have to use an old charger to charge the new phone. That's the first thing. And I'll tell you how much I paid for this, and it doesn't come with a charger. I paid 1,251 euros. Yeah, you heard me right. And that's the best price I could get on the internet. Otherwise, the new ones were 1,500 euros and up for this model. Yeah. So I got pissed off, sorry. So this warranty, whatever. And this, oh my god, it's so small you can't even read it, my god. Okay, in all the European languages, blah 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 blah. Schmeißen, Beißen, Italiano. They're my language, Greek. Yeah. I guess so. I don't know, some booklet that's worthless. Anyway, the most important on this part is the pin that we put the SIM in. All the other is crap. So yeah, the other part of the box is actually the phone itself. Ooh, okay. So whatever this is, it's kind of sticky on this side. See, this is a kind of sticky thingy, and yeah, the box still nice. But let's not put the sticky thingy like down. Let's put it up here so it doesn't stick there. So this was stuck on the phone, I think. Yeah. Okay. So this is the phone. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal memory. Now, I think I have to pull this screen protector off. Ooh, it's sticky again. Sticky. So yeah, this is the phone that I bought for, I told you how much. So with this phone, I hope to make beautiful videos and beautiful photos. Because as I said, it's the flagship of Samsung. And yeah, there's the charger. This is the pen that comes out. Do I press it? Yes, see. You press this inside and then you can pull it out. Can you? It's a bit difficult. Yeah, you can pull it out. So then you have a pen and it's like Galaxy Note, which was before beep. And then you put it back here into the Samsung compartment for the Galaxy pen. Here we have the speaker and microphone. And I think this is maybe for the SIM card here on the bottom of the phone. Because here on the other side, it has volume up, volume down, and power button. And on the other side, it's like slim. It doesn't have anything there. So yeah, this is the baby that cost me a lot of money. So let's check out the cameras. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras. So do you just make 5 pictures of me? So yeah, 5 cameras. So that's me recording YouTube. So yeah, guys, I'll try it out, and yeah, we'll see how it handles. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks new. It is new. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Another thing with that, these new phones, they also, the thing with the charger that I don't like, the other thing I don't like about it is you cannot put an extension SD card to this. So the memory that you get with the phone you buy, that's it. You cannot extend the memory with SD cards. So this is another bad thing about these phones. The only thing is, yeah, they sell like these add-ons and you just plug it into USB-C and then you put an SD card there and then you have like a thingy here, to use that SD card. But that's a workaround. That's not a solution, guys. Yeah, it doesn't look nice and it would fall off. It's not good, So why Samsung did you do that? My God. Yeah, let's not break it until we use it first. So yeah, no extension of memory possible on this phone, although it's the flagship. You Samsung, you missed there on this one. Let's try to turn it on. God, it doesn't turn on. Not really. Let's try holding the button. Oh, now it does. So you have to hold it like for more than 3 seconds to start this Samsung device, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy, it says. Okay. Beep, beep, pop. So, oh my God, Chinese, Korean, what the beep? You don't see Welcome. Start. Sveiki. I guess that's Lithuanian. Bienvenido. Espanol. Inicio. Dobre došli. I think that's Bulgarian. Bienvenue. Debut. Laipni ludzam. What the fuck? Chinese? So, tervetuloa. Vitami. Udvozoljuk. My god, that's Hungarian. Vitete. Welcome. And start. Okay. Whatever you press, then it shows the languages, and then we choose. Let's choose. Oh, so many English. Should we go choose English Australia, English Philippines, English New Zealand, Ireland, India, Canada? Now let's go with UK English. That's mostly the nice one. For your review, so then you have to like agree with the licenses. I agree to all, agree. And then we have set up using another device. So now you have to copy from the other device. Anyway, I'll finish setting this up since this camera doesn't seem to record the screen. Okay, now it does. See? So yeah, that was the unboxing of this thingy. As you can see it, yeah, it's nice. It's a bit heavy in the arm, you know. I would say 250 grams, something like that. I'm not a weight, so don't take me literally, but yeah, it's heavier than my other phone, you know. So yeah, a bit heavier, a bit larger, but okay. I think we'll manage with this puppy. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't give you any specifics more than the RAM and the memory, but yeah, you can Google it, you know. You know which phone we are talking about. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, subscribe, like the video, and put me your thoughts down in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one, which will be already recorded with this new phone and not this shit phone that I have now. So take care, guys, and see you in my next one.